All right, so before you start your study island today, I wanted to just take a couple minutes here and do a little bit of review of some of the stuff we've done over the past few days. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you kind of an example, whether it's a picture or whether it's almost like a Punnett square of some of the different types of, or some of the different modes of inheritance that we have. So this is the first one here. So I have a flower here that has pink and white on it. So this one would be codominance because I see both traits and there's no blending taking place. The second one, I have two different colored horses, and then they mate, and then I see something that's different. This is incomplete dominance because the offspring are a combination of the genes, but they're not the same as their parent. You don't see this one as a heterozygous looking just the same as the one up top. Okay, this next one in mice. We have color and it's determined by a combination of these two genes. So this would be something that is polygenic because anytime we have more than one gene involved, it's polygenic. And like I said before, we usually don't tend to actually try to do crosses with these traits because it's too difficult to do. All right, so we have skin color here, and you can see we've got a gradation. And again, that is something that is polygenic because we have multiple alleles. We have 6 alleles actually that could be for either light skin or dark skin. This one here, we have some blood cells. So we have A here with A on the surface, B here with B on the surface, AB with both, and O with neither. This is multiple alleles because I have an A allele, a B allele, and an O allele. So we have more than 2 that are involved. This one, excuse me. Now the one on this one, the giveaway here is we're dealing with X and Y. And the minute we start dealing with X and Y, we are sex-linked. And same thing with this one. We are sex-linked. Because again, we can see here we have the X and XY. Okay, so hopefully you did pretty well on that with some of the practice that we've been doing. And the second half of the unit, this kind of brings to a close our study in Mendelian genetics. You have a study island to do with that. And then in the next section, we're actually going to be working on DNA, RNA, and protein synthesis process.